Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be checking out probably the nicest 1967 Ford Fairlane GTA on the market. Factory GTA car, meaning a factory 390 GT with an automatic transmission. And this car has just been almost overly restored. All the way around, paint, body, interior, engine compartment. This is definitely closer to that. A show-winning trailer queen quality car, but still you definitely got to drive this thing just because it goes down the road so nice. Under the hood is super correct. You got right air cleaner, date code correct 390, 4-barrel. Power steering, power brakes. And just when you look under the hood, you know, all your paint on the engine compartment, engine itself, firewall, all that's just very, very nice. Here's your factory VIN number. Bottom side of the hood paint's just as nice as the paint on the rest of the car. Hood lines up perfect. Grill, front bumper, headlights, all that's been restored. Even the hood across the front fits as good as you're going to get it. Back of the hood, this cowl panel here all line up great. Glass is awesome. It's got disc brakes on the front. PFG raised wet letter tires. Door fits awesome all down along the rocker. We got just some tire shine that's splashed up, but all that's really, really nice. And just look how the door fits. Perfect. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the undercarriage. All painted in a red Oxi primer like it should be from the factory. A lot of new parts under there.
This is such a sweet car.
It is. It's about as nice as they come. We have two really, really nice Fords right now. This one and then a 73 Mach 1. They're both just excellent. You can tell when they did the paint job, they took everything off, put it all back on. Corner of the door, bottom side of the door is great. I mean, they didn't skimp on anything. Even all your scuff plates are new. Inside corner of the door. Paint on the dash is all done in a high gloss black, very quality. Bucket seats, center console. And then Dad was really impressed, and I am too, with just how clean the gauges and lens and all the hardware is on the interior. Dash pad's really nice. I'm guessing it's probably the original. You have one crack right here. That's really, I don't know, imperfections on the car. Headliner's perfectly tight. Back seat's awesome. Got seat belts for 3 in the back. And you also have seat belts in the front. All your console light works. Back package tray's awesome. And so are the seat backs. I want to grab the keys and we'll pop the trunk also, Brady. Up over the roof is great. And the body on both sides is just laser straight up and down the side. Door fits great. Really nice dual exhaust, new gas tank. And all the chrome on the back. This actually might be original. Really clean. But you can tell it's just got a little bit of age on that. Bumper's been replaced. That's perfect.
For all you Ford guys watching, we've got 2 super high dollar nice Mustangs coming in too that you're going to want to stay tuned in.
Yeah, we just got in today a really, really nice 68 fastback R code factory 428 car. That's just as nice as this Fairlane. It's gonna be a 6-figure car, but we got some really nice Fords. And then next week we got a S code 67 fastback coming in. That's just 100% original and really nice.
Original paint, everything.
Trunk lid lines up great. You're gonna hear a lot of great and excellent and perfect as I do this video, but I don't really know how else to describe this Fairlane. I like how the exhaust comes out right there. All your emblems are new. And like I said, the driver's door fits just as well. Tires got great tread on them. Some BFGs, tire size 235, 60 15s in the rear. Rocker all the way along the bottom is good. Got a little, I think that's just a little dirt. Small chip right here. There's absolutely no disappointments in this one. On the fronts, you have two 15, 65 15s. And more of the same on the driver's side. Door panels are excellent. Door jamb paint's great. There's your body tag, and all that's decoded on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Corner of the door is perfect. You have a few small chips down here on the very base of the painted part of the door panel. Door jamb paint's really nice. All the rubbers are good. Driver's seat's in great shape. And the way this 390 sits there and idles is just awesome. You can almost, when it's just sitting there idling, you can hardly hear it running.
Mm-hmm. It's nice.
Wipers work, and those have new blades on them. Dual exhaust sounds good. Original AM radio works.
I mean, no one will think my life meant something after.
Is this original dash?
I don't know. I know this has been repainted. That's too nice. The dash pad very well could be. It's hard to say. Odometer shows 55,164 miles.
It all looks like
heater fan works. Only thing we still have to look at appears to be the horn, which I thought worked before. But even your lights in the center console for the shift indicator all work as well. This one's just special car.
You ain't gonna find very many like this, that's for sure.
And I always like these Fairlanes. They're just big, comfortable cars, especially when you get a GT or a GTA with that 390. I mean, they got good power, handle really well. Here's your brakes. Again, power, front disc, stop perfect, no pull left or right on the steering wheel. As you'd expect, the turn signal indicators in the dash work. I mean, they didn't cut any corners with this Fairlane. Even your turn signal indicators in the hood, I'll turn the right one on so you can see, those work too. Kick down works, tranny shift's great. $70 miles an hour. Steering wheel's perfectly tight as well. Steering's perfect. We'll roll our front windows up at least. Should have rolled the back ones up too, but again, this thing is just so much fun to drive.
Shift's great.
There's really nothing that's not great about it, but check our brakes one more time at a high speed. Also, your gas gauge works. There's your brakes, high speed, really nice full pedal.
Not perfect.
They don't need any work. Just ready to go, ready to take to your next classic car show and win it. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. We'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. Take you right to the site. But don't miss your opportunity to buy this Ford. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.